When we first thought about building a log home, there are many choices out there, and at first it was very difficult who to go with. eLog kept coming up on the top of the list because of their designs, their way when I did call them, how easy it was to talk to them and work with them, and there was no pressure. And the other thing is that really it was the D-Log that eLoghome had and their log system, which was really what sold me. So the D-Log system really, knowing that we were building it over 9,000 feet, we're at 9,200 feet up here, the installation of the log was really important to me because we have 100-mile-an-hour winds in the wintertime. I didn't want leaks anywhere. I didn't want to deal with chinking because of the altitude and the extreme weather changes we have here. And we felt that the D-Log was the most efficient home, and it turned out to be highly efficient, even more so than we expected.